Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of ideas related to party style, eye makeup, and eyeshadows. Yeah. I have shared a lots of images in this video, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. I hope you will like these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. So friends, if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to eye makeup and also related to dress designs and different topics I have covered in videos. If you wanna see more designs or more images related to silk, satin dresses and prom dresses and Nila designs, visit on my channel once. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. So friends, today's video is related to eyeshadows. These are the party makeup eyeshadows. If you have any kind of demand related to any design, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So friends, today's video is very gorgeous eye makeup, that is party eye makeup and evening eye makeup. Hope you are enjoying these images. If you have any kind of demand related to design, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. This was my today's video related to party style eyeshadows or eye makeup. So now let me say to take care of yourself and your friends. Okay friends, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and bye bye.